Minute pirate bugs are beneficial insects that feed on harmful pests like aphids, mites, and flies. When temperatures cool, pirate bugs can invade homes in search of shelter. Additionally, when pest populations drop, pirate bugs can also bite people, resulting in itching and red bumps. In this video, we'll go over how to identify minute pirate bugs, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent them from breaking out in the future. Check out the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Minute pirate bugs are small insects that range from 1/12 to 1/5 of an inch in length. They have flat, oval-shaped bodies and a piercing, sucking mouthpart. The minute pirate bug's head, thorax, and abdomen range from dark brown to black. The wings blend from a lighter brown to a darker brown. The nymphs are yellow to light brown in color with red eyes. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Minute pirate bugs are common among flowers, ornamental plants, and crops. Check any foliage on your property for signs of any pest activity, including inside greenhouses. Pirate bugs can feed on spider mites, thrips, aphids, psyllids, and mites, in addition to the eggs and larvae of other pests. In cooler temperatures, when pest activity drops, pirate bugs may invade structures for shelter. When the temperature warms back up, they may emerge indoors and litter the area. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. To control pest activity on your property, check out TYVET Pro Essential Oil Insecticide. For homeowners looking for greener pest control, this product is FIFRA 25B exempt, meaning it's made with ingredients that are minimum risk and safer for humans, animals, and the environment. This insecticide is made with a unique blend of ingredients like castor oil, lemongrass oil, and geraniol that are known to control, eliminate, and repel a broad spectrum of insects. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. For residential areas, you can use a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. For outdoor applications on foliage and on structural surfaces, mix and apply the product's labeled rate of 1.5 to 3.0 fluid ounces of water per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Spray ornamentals and shrubs on your property, spraying from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Next, to stop pests from invading indoors, conduct a perimeter application by spraying entry points like doors, windows, and other voids insects can use to hide in or invade through. Allow the product to dry completely before letting people or pets back around the area. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Eliminate pest habitats by keeping your lawn and other plants trim and clean. Mow your grass regularly to the recommended height, prune away branches and foliage with visible signs of pest activity, and rake and remove leaves or plant debris that's fallen on your lawn. Next, seal cracks and crevices around the outside of your home with caulk or expanding foam. This will stop pirate bugs and other invasive insects from overwintering and emerging in spring. For additional firepower against a broad array of pests on your property, check out Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. For ornamental applications, mix 0.125 to 1.0 fluid ounces of product into 1 gallon of solution per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. For perimeter treatments, mix 0.33 to 1.0 fluid ounces of product into 1 gallon of solution per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Supreme IT lasts for up to 90 days, so one application every 3 months will provide year-round protection. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop minute pirate bugs from becoming a problem, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.